Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our drive through Byng, a small rural community nestled in Haldimand County, Ontario. Located near Dunnville, Byng is part of a region rich in natural beauty and history. The area is known for its peaceful countryside with open fields, quiet roads, and a strong connection to the nearby Grand River. Byng is situated close to the Grand River, one of Ontario's longest rivers, which has played an important role in the area's development. The river has been a vital waterway for transportation, trade, and recreation. Today, it continues to be a popular spot for boating, fishing, and enjoying nature. Nearby, the Byng Island Conservation Area offers a variety of outdoor activities. This conservation area features Carolinian forests, wetlands, and creeks, providing habitats for diverse wildlife. Visitors can enjoy camping, hiking, canoeing, and fishing in this serene environment. Thank you for joining us on this tour through Byng and the glimpse into this peaceful part of Haldimand County. Thanks for watching!